So today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery pack with built-in charging cable. And also we have this Baseus Free2Draw 2 Mini Retractable charging cable as well. And a huge shout out to Baseus for sending this stuff out to me to review for you guys. Thank you very much. So let's set the cable to the side for right now and take a look at the battery pack. Now, it says it does have 30 watt fast charging. That is going to be when it's plugged in. It has 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. And on the back, you get a whole bunch of information in different languages about this battery pack. Now, this does have a built-in charging cable, and that's something that we'll take a look at. But for right now, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Now, as soon as you open up the box, very nice kind of box here. Pretty simple, no real fancy packaging or anything, but I kind of like that, you know, nice, simple, and to the point. So let's see how this is. Now, on the front, you get this instruction manual here with just a little bit of paperwork. That way you can know exactly how to use this. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. And we do get our battery pack with nothing else in the box. Now, starting off with the back of the battery pack, I want to start there because that's the most important part. That's the MagSafe connection and how it's going to feel around your phone. Now, I do have my 15 Pro Max here in that black titanium, and let's see how it is. Now, we'll talk about this cable here shortly, but let's see how that MagSafe is first and foremost. Now, it's going to go ahead and turn on and start charging, and you do get your little MagSafe animation, and it's got pretty decent MagSafe. We can sit here and kind of shake this around by the phone itself, and you see it's not coming off. Now, by the battery pack, this thing is really beefy, so it may end up taking the phone off. So let's see if we can give it a good shake. Hopefully it won't drop my phone. Yeah, so you got to give it a pretty decent shake in order for this to come off. So excellent MagSafe strength, especially if you have a good MagSafe case. But let's actually try it out on just the naked iPhone itself, because that's going to give you the most realistic, you know, feeling of it. So let's see how it is on there. Again, we're going to get our MagSafe animation, and let's go ahead and give it a little shake. A little bit of a shake, and I can kind of feel it starting to slip. If you guys can see that right there, it is starting to slip, so it's going to come off here very shortly. So pretty good MagSafe on this battery pack still, even just on the naked iPhone itself. Good MagSafe strength, definitely better than some of the other ones I've tested. But let me go ahead and slap my case back on here real quick, and we'll go from there. So let's take a look at the rest of the battery pack here. Now on the bottom here, you do have your LED charging indicator, and let me click the button here. It's going to give you 3 lights worth of battery power right there, 1, 2, 3. And that last light right there is just to see if your other device is charging or not, exactly what it's going to be doing. And you can see there's like a little split right there in the lighting. Now, with this cable, I know you guys see that it's kind of all over the place. They actually give you a little slot right there for it, so you can sit here and just tuck this in. And this is actually how I was using the battery pack. So you can tuck this kind of into itself. You can plug it in. Now, it's not going to affect your charging in any way or anything like that, but it just gives you that nice little bit of cable management. Now, one thing about this cable that I do wish is I do wish that it was just inside the battery pack, maybe into the back or something, because I noticed when using this battery pack with my phone, you know, I'm somebody who holds my phone kind of like this, so it definitely gets in the way of your finger. And also when you have this going into your pocket or anything like that, this cable definitely makes it so the battery is able to come off a lot easier. I was using this outside and I put it into my jacket pocket, and as soon as I pulled it out, this nicked the edge of the pocket of my jacket and it pulled it right off. So that is something I wish that this could just go and get tucked into the back here or into the side. That way maybe it could just pull out like that rather than just hanging here on the back. Now, moving along to the USB Type-C port right here. This is how you are going to charge this battery pack, and also you can use this to charge another device. So what we can do is we can get our iPhone to be charging on here, and we can take another device and take this USB Type-C cable and plug it into it, or you can plug something else in here and just use this as a separate complete battery pack. If you don't want to use it as MagSafe, you can just plug your cable into there. So let's actually go ahead and do that. Let's take our Baseus Free2Draw 2 Mini Retractable cable right here, and let's see how that's going to go. Now let me grab a little unboxing knife, cut this open, and we'll take a look. All right, so now we have this cable right here ready to go. Let's take a look and see what's inside of it. Now, right here, you are going to get some stickers from Baseus. Nice, cute little stickers right there. We set those to the side, stick them on somebody's iPhone or something, and you do get your warranty card right there. So that's pretty much it. Oh, we get one more thing of paperwork here. Take that into the side, and here is our cable. So we'll take it out of this little plastic sleeve right there, and you do get this nice 3.3 feet or 1 meter cable. So it's this nice tucked in little mechanism right there, and you can see it is Baseus 100-watt fast charging retractable charging cable. Let's take a look and see how it is. Very, very smooth retraction. That actually kind of surprised me right there. It was very smooth coming out of this little base right here. A lot of these kind of cables, I've noticed that if you pull it out, it's very crunchy sounding, and it's really not good. But this Baseus one, I mean, it is super smooth, that wheel. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Nice sounding, very smooth. I like it. So let's go ahead and test out the actual USB Type-C port. So we'll open this right back up, and I'm going to stick this right here into the battery pack. And so also, to turn it on and off, I know the LEDs are right here. There is a power button on the side. You get a little bit of Baseus branding and nothing really else. On the left-hand side, you do get a little bit of other information, but that's pretty much it. So to turn it on and off, one click on, so you get that. And then to actually turn it off, you just give it 2 clicks, 1, 2, and it turns off. So let's go ahead and turn it on one more time. Get that battery going. And let's see, will it charge our iPhone? So this is plugged right into the battery pack with this Baseus charging cable. And let's see. Yep, immediately there you go. You get your charging animation. Everything is good. Now, let's go ahead and test out this USB-C port right here as well. And we'll go ahead and plug this into our iPhone. And let's see. Yep, there we go. Took a second, but we do have that charging. So you've got a ton of versatility with this battery pack. You're able to use just the MagSafe, or use it as an external battery bank with this long cable, or even the little short cable that comes with it. But again, I really just do wish that this cable was somewhere tucked into the battery pack, because I have noticed that it definitely does come off of the phone when you put it into your pocket, your jacket, whatever. Anything that nicks this will pull it off of the phone. Now, I know it is almost the holiday season and Black Friday time. Baseus is having a huge sale on these. So original price on this one is $45.99. And for Black Friday, they are giving you a little bit off. They're giving it to you for $36.80. So basically $37 for a 30-watt, 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. You can't really beat that. That's a pretty good price right there. And also this cable originally is $21.99. And it is $17.60 on their Black Friday sale. Now, I'm not somebody who usually uses these kinds of cables that, you know, fold in and pull out and things like that. I kind of prefer just a regular length cable. But if you're somebody that travels a lot and you need the super, super compact size, this, I mean, will fit right in the palm of your hand. So it'll fit in any one of your pockets or anything like that. And you do get this very nice kind of, let's pull this off. You do get this very nice packaging on the actual cable. Very soft touch. I really like this a lot. I'm actually going to go ahead and stick this into my travel backpack, and let me know if you guys want like an everyday carry type of video or anything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in my backpack. I definitely have been using this for the last couple of days, and I do like it. It fits on the phone very good, everything like that. Just that one cable, like I said, if this was just tucked into the back somewhere over here like that, that would be perfect, and it wouldn't ever affect anything while you are charging. And you can see I just plugged it in and took the battery pack off. But yeah, I put this in my pocket, came right off. So that's the only gripe I have about this. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't get warm. It charges the phone up a little bit slower. It's about 7.5 watts MagSafe charging. But, you know, that's kind of what you expect with MagSafe battery packs. If you want that super quick charge, you do have to plug it in. And this is going to give you 30 watts of charging if you just take it and plug it into the back of your phone. So just like that, you can have this in your pocket or whatever, and it'll be good to go. Or you can even, you know, connect it right to the phone. Not exactly sure what takes over where when it is plugged in, but I assume that the USB Type-C port will have priority over the MagSafe. So you can even have it just like that and get that quicker charging versus just having MagSafe on there, and you get that kind of slower 7.5 watt charge. So go ahead and turn that on one more time for you guys. There's our MagSafe animation, and we're good to go. So With that being said, this is the Baseus 100-watt charging cable that's also adjustable, and their 30-watt, 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery pack, the 2-in-1 battery pack. I can pretty much recommend these. Like I said, just that one thing with the cable, but other than that, good battery pack for a great price point. Like I said, it's $45.99, but you can get it on sale, and you can't really beat it. It's gonna charge your phone about 2 times. Now, I have the 15 Pro Max, so it's got about a 4,422 milliamp hour battery or something like that. And I was able to get a full charge and a half out of this battery pack. Now, again, with wireless charging, you do get a little bit of, you know, escaped energy or whatever it is that they call it. So you're not gonna get the full 10,000 milliamps because it's not directly plugged in. But if you do directly plug in, I can definitely expect 2 full charges out of this thing. It's not too heavy. Let's see how much it weighs real quick let's compare it to the Apple MagSafe battery pack while we're here. So this one is, I believe, 5,000 milliamp hours, whereas this one is 10. So obviously it's a good bit thicker right there, if you guys can see that, but you get double the power. So let's see what their weight difference is. We'll start off with the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Now, we do have it at 114 grams. Let's make sure that's centered. Yep, 114 grams, and the Baseus is 214. So double the power and almost exactly double the weight, but they have very similar materials right here, the kind of silicone-y feeling. And I mean, that's pretty much what you get. You're gonna get, if you want 5,000, you want that lighter battery pack, use that. If you want a little bit more battery, like say you're going away for the weekend or something like that, you're not bringing a charger, this should charge you about a full time and a half or so. If you have a 15 Pro rather than the Pro Max, you might even be able to get 2 full charges just out of MagSafe, but this should give you 2 full charges plugged in either to this USB Type-C port or from the cable that comes with it. So again, these are the products over from Baseus, the battery pack and the extendable charging cable. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.